Okay, D2DNY, real world HVAC simplified. And I got my meter ready. This is part 2. This camera went out on me. This is part 2. So I got my meter set up right now and it's in voltage. I'm gonna go ahead and test and see if my thermostat is calling and if I have power to this unit. Okay. Just gonna go and click this right here. And let me see where they're bringing main power to this bad boy right here. It's right here. That's where the main power is coming in. Go ahead and check. Okay. That's where the main power is coming. My Tesla lead set up over there. And I have power. 215 volts. Alright. And if I'm gonna go ahead and just test. I'm gonna bump my compressor. Ah, so there it goes. So that works. Okay, the other one. Okay, that works. Let's go ahead and check and see if we're getting a call. Like I said, I suspected that the thermostat is just not calling. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and check. We got R. If you can see that, there's a lot of wires in the way, but I'm gonna go ahead and terminal R. If I go in R, and I'm gonna go with G, it's a fan. R and fan, and I'm reading 24 volts. That means this sucker isn't calling, the thermostat is not calling. If I go to Y1, it's right there, Y1 and R, 24 volts. And if I go to Y2, okay, Y2 and R, 24 volts. That means my thermostat is not calling. And another way you could check, if I go from common, if I go from R to ground, right? So I am on R right there, and I'm on ground. You can see I got 24 volts. Now, which means that if I was calling for fan, right, which is G, if I go here and ground, I should get 24 volts. Another way to check. So as you can see, I'm only getting nothing. That's 0.2 is nothing. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bypass the thermostat. Again, these tools are awesome. You can find them, the links. I'll leave a link to these tools, or these jumpers, and also this meter if you like it. And those are a new set of gauge that I had bought today. I'm gonna try them out. I think they're pretty cool. They looks pretty cool. Let me give you a crack at that real quick. Bring it over here. Yeah, these things are nice. I like them. I mean, it's compact and just for troubleshooting, you know, quick in and out. For me, it's perfect. Look at that, right? And I think these are amazing. So this is the I side, basically, but you can use it for both high and low because it's just pressures, right? You starting off at, you can do a vacuum with this as well. You have a ball valve. It's ball valve on and off. This is a ball valve. No twisting gate valve situation or setup. All right. Comes with this adapter right here. Low loss adapter as well. Yeah, I like these. I mean, I'm gonna take them. These are brand new, but just based on appearance, I already like what I see. So thought I just had this to my collection. Well, anyway, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with jumping out the fan. So I'm gonna go between R. I'm going R. Oh, these are metallic. Son of a bee. These aren't metal. These are stainless steel, I suppose. All right, no worries. I got something in my arsenal for that. let's go see what I could find in the bag. So I won't be needing these back in the bag. Okay, what can I find in the bag? We got something here. Okay, here we go. Got something here. Guess what I've got in the bag? So got that. I gotta get a fan and at least one stage of cooling going. Okay, so these will do the trick. It's just that the other ones are way cooler and easier to use because you don't need any clamping or clicking. You just gotta put them on the terminals and let them go. If you have steel terminals or connections. Okay, so let's go right here. So I'm gonna go connect. I'm gonna go to the fan first, G first, because if I go on the R and this wire is dangling and touching anywhere in the ground, I could blow a fuse. All right. So go ahead and put that on R. Okay. I heard a click. I hear my fan starting up. I believe this one have an EC fan, so it's not your plain old direct connection with a contactor or a relay. I can hear my fan ramping up. I don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead now and get the first stage of cooling connected as well. Let's see if I could be creative here. This is Y1. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go, so I went from G to R, and now I have to get from Y1, which is cooling number 1, to R as well, but I'm gonna try and steal it from the G terminal right here because it's kind of convenient. Hopefully I don't blow a fuse. There we go. Voila. So you can see that the issue here, the thermostat just wasn't calling. So I have my first compressor Y1 active just by doing that, you know, basically bypassing the thermostat. I believe the other unit is going to be the same issue. I could go ahead and look up my gauges, but I don't think I'll need to. I probably should take it for a spin. Let's see here. I hate these caps. These are the cheap caps. The O-ring just fell out.